the show with the CNBC-TV18 exclusive that we have for you all. Sources tell CNBC-TV18 that the group of ministers set up by the GST Council has proposed rate of changes for 148 items. This is including a special rate on tobacco and aerated drinks. Timsy is joining in with us to tell us more details on that one. Timsy?
Well, what sources have told us that the GST Council nominated group of ministers on rate rationalization is likely to propose a major overhaul of GST rate structure, and top on the proposal list is to create a special rate of 35% along with a rejig of rates of as many as 148 items. As per the recommendations, the special rate will be applicable only on tobacco and tobacco products and aerated beverages. If agreed upon, the tax on these items will go up from existing 28% plus cess to 35% plus cess. Apart from this, the other rate revisions proposed is on items such as ready-made garments, where the proposal is that any ready-made garment costing up to 1,500 rupees should attract only 5% GST, and those between 1,500 to 10,000 rupees should attract 18%, and those costing above 10,000 rupees, being a luxury, should be taxed at 28%. Further proposals include reducing GST on 20-litre packaged drinking water bottle from 18% to 5% and increasing GST on shoes priced above 15,000 rupees per pair from 18% to 28%. Similarly, on wristwatches, those priced above 25,000 rupees may also see a hike from 18% to 28%. Also, a similar sort of a hike could be proposed on cosmetics, handbags, etc., where the group of ministers feel that beyond a price point, since they are into luxury bracket, they should attract 28%. Apart from this, a separate panel has suggested rate revision on insurance. The panel is likely to propose complete GST exemption on pure term life insurance premia from current 18%. On health insurance, there are three categories. First, for senior citizens, without any cover cap, this should be exempt from GST is what the recommendation is, and the current rate that is levied is 18%. For non-senior citizens, there are two proposed brackets. Firstly, where the cover is of up to 5 lakh rupees per annum, the proposal is to exempt GST, and for cover above 5 lakh rupees per annum, the GST should be reduced from current 18% to 5%. Apart from this, many common use items such as bicycles, exercise books, etc., food items will be brought down from their respective rates to 5% is also on the recommendation list. Apart from here, and important to note, that the group of ministers report is not a final decision. The report will now be discussed by the GST Council, which is slated to meet on December 21st in Jaisalmer. So any final decision on GST rate changes will be taken by the Council only. And this special rate of 35% is proposed to make up for the potential revenue loss which could occur due to these rate changes, which is because of the proposals to bring down taxes on various common use items, etc. Let's see what happens in Jaisalmer on December 21st.
Okay, all eyes are going to be on Jaisalmer on December 21st, and what are the announcements that are coming in on that front. Thank you so much for that, Timsy.